Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to denoise an audio track in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so first thing we're going to go import our clip. So we'll go File, Import, and then our clip is right here, but you can go anywhere in your folders and pick out your clip and open it up. And then it will go into this box here on the left hand side, so you select it and then drag it into your sequence box. Alright, so now that we have this in here, you can select the audio track, go up to audio gain, and let's increase the volume a little bit so we can increase it by a positive number, which will make the audio track louder. Alright, so that's nice and loud now, but it is a little staticky, not so much clear, so let's make this a little clearer now. So first things first, let's make sure we're in the right workspace. We want to be in Essentials. And then we will head over to Effects, Audio Effects. We'll go to Noise Reduction, and then select Denoise. So then we'll select that and then drag it over top of our audio clip. Alright, and now on the right hand side, we'll go to Custom Setup and select Edit. Now here we'll put it in, let's say 60%. You just want to make sure that you don't go too high, otherwise the audio will get very pitchy. So you click out of the box, exit out of here. And now the audio is much more clear and less staticky. So that is how you denoise a clip. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.